joining us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your leave Toontown Depot. Realize people that the biggest land across Disneyland. You can see people stepping onto it's a small world just below us. And off in the distance, just we're now steaming forward into the future in the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
That's the close right there.
Tomorrow Line Station.
Well, now we know where it is.
Star Wars.
Is that really what the Grand Canyon looks like?
Yep.
Oh my.
Yeah, we're gonna try to see that on the way back. Hopefully. Should be good. Little bunny rabbit.
Yeah.
The rainbow, yes.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time. Way